So my niece and my nephew, they got a room, and my sister with her husband had a room.
Here?
Yeah, for December.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
They
Okay.
booked it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And everything's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Coming from Australia.
I know. I didn't know you had
Far
family
away.
in Australia.
Oh yeah, they lived there for long.
Wow.
Very long.
Mm-hmm. Why did they go to Australia? Just curious.
When they graduated, they have like
¿Qué pasó?
Duele un poquito.
Oh, okay.
like an internship to continue study over there.
What were they studying?
One is they're both engineers.
Oh. Oh, wow. ¿Tiene abajo? ¿Sí? Good.
Yo tengo una sobrina que es, she's a doctor, gynecology and
Oh, yeah?
obstetric, yeah. Cindy in Queens.
In Queens.
She's a medical, Flushing, Queens Medical Center.
Miércoles.
That's not an easy job, you know?
No,
Otro lado, no.
she delivers a lot of babies.
A lot of babies, yeah?
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Look, that's her. You're gonna say, no way.
She's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Really beautiful.
She is.
She's your niece, you said?
Yeah, my niece.
Oh, yeah?
One of my older sisters. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
She came here from Colombia or no? Was born
She
here?
did 6 years in Colombia,
Mm-hmm.
and she graduated as a general doctor,
Uh-huh.
and then she moved here and she did the residency.
Test and all that stuff.
She tested
Again.
everything.
So she's gotta be a super genius.
She's a genius.
Yeah.
She's a genius.
Mm-hmm. Okay, baja la mano. Ahora aquí. Let's stretch here.
See, that's when she graduated from gynecology. That's June 2 years ago.
Oh, wow.
And she stayed in the same hospital where she did her residency.
Oh, wow.
So these all are my 2 nieces and 2 nephews.
Mm-hmm. Amazing.
This one is an engineer too, Felipe.
Super intelligent people.
Yeah, they're very,
Right?
very
Yeah.
smart
Mhm.
people.
Here we go. We'll go little by little. All right. Let's come here.
So she just need one section only, or she needs more than that?
I'm going to do
Oh, my-
everything
Oh wow.
because what's happening is her neck from here down to here has gotten so stiff and crunched, not crunched, compressed,
Compressed.
that it's almost like taking a metal bar and
Or
bending
twisted
it.
it. Oh,
Yeah.
right.
And so what happens is you twist it and the middle pops up. That's what's happening inside here. So everything inside here, it moves. Everything here is fine. But here, the bones move very stiff. Very stiff. And so it should move, the bone should move. The bone should move like this, right? Individual.
Exactly.
But they don't. They're stuck.
Oh, they stop.
They're stuck. And so it just grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah. Yeah. And so with women, sometimes they get older, the disc and the vertebrae collapse.
Oh.
Older women, you know, in the 70s, it collapses, and it becomes a problem, big problem. Yeah. Come on, a la derecha aquí. Just hold there.
Invitar.
Yeah. ¿Qué pasó? No, eso no duele. Stop it. Dime, ¿duele o no duele?
No.
No duele, ¿eh?
No.
Good. Tengo que usar la maneta porque está oxidada. Aquí. Ah, está bien ahí. Vente.
Eso porque se produce.
¿Cómo?
¿Por qué da eso?
Porque esto es así. Una mala postura. Right? Right? Mira la izquierda. Porque no tiene accidente, ¿no?
No.
Nunca, ¿no?
No.
Ok, good. Solo mala postura. Y genético también. Right? ¿Su mamá
No.
tenía
No.
una curva así? ¿No?
Mi abuela.
Mi abuela también. Interesante. Hola, su cabeza así. La derecha. Dame la mano. Relaja este hombro. Gracias, relájese un poquito más. Gracias. Déjeme poner aquí. Good. Ok, dame el otro lado. Good. Ok. Vamos a poner las manos así. Estira los hombros un poquito. Good. Ok. Dame las manos. Aquí. Aquí también. Ok, ok. Ok. Ahora del otro lado. Pon las manos así. Good. Ok. Ok. Inhala bien profundo. Expira para afuera. Gracias. Perfect, perfecto. Relaja la mano.
How many hours
What do you mean?
to get it fixed?
No, that's a lot of treatment.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of, not one. I don't know, she'll feel better. Okay, vamos a mover un poquito más aquí. Gracias. She'll feel better, but
Yeah.
no, it would take a long, long time.
A whole year.
Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, vamos a poner las manos otra vez. Así. Su cabeza aquí abajo. Y vamos a acostar así, ¿ok? En un segundito. La mano aquí, su cabeza aquí. Ok, inhala bien profundo. Expira afuera. Afuera, gracias. Así.
Oh my god. Ay, sonó todo.
¿Sí? ¿Puede respirar un poquito mejor o no?
Sí,
Sí, good, good.
mucho mejor.
Ok, otra vez, un poquito más para arriba. Arriba. Otra vez, inhala. Exhala, afuera. Relaja los hombros. Good. Aquí, ahora. Good. Good. Ok, entonces vamos a acostar ahora boca arriba. Ok, boca arriba. Con su espalda aquí, su cabeza aquí. Good.
Ay, doctor.
Ok. Déjame mover un pelo aquí. Ok, y relaja. Ok. ¿Todo bien? ¿Sí? Todo bien. Entonces cierra los ojos, relaja todos los músculos, respira normal, ¿ok? Normal. No, relaja los músculos. Gracias. No se queda. Relaja todo el mundo. Gracias. Puede ser un estiramiento aquí y un ajuste aquí, ¿ok? ¿Ven? Y relaja un poquito más. Gracias.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Doctor, voy a ver qué hizo.
Ajá, ¿qué piensas?
Uy, me dejó de doler acá.
Sí, sí, ok, un poquito.
Uy, no. No mucho, me dejó de doler mucho este lado.
Bueno,
Y eso es que se...
son los huesos moviendo, las articulaciones, como así, moviendo.
Ok.
¿Sí? Tengo una más aquí. Suave, sí, todo. Ahí. Respira normal, otra vez. No sé, bueno, así. Bien relajada. Good. Puede ser un estiramiento aquí. Good. Y relaja todo los músculos. Gracias. Ahí. Un poquito más ahí.
Au. Ay, doña Blanca me armó.
¿La armó o la desarmó?
Me armó.
Okay, that's what you wanted, no?
You want it?
So she's ready. That's it.
No, me dejó de doler ahí mismo a los dos lados.
¿Sí?
Uf,
Sí.
sí.
Va a tener más movimiento en el cuello. Tú ves.
Okay,
Ay.
so you have a check for $2,000. It takes credit cards as well.
Ajá.
Thank you.
Ajá.
Uy, sí.
Tiene familia en YouTube. ¿Quiere decir algo a familia en YouTube?
Subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.